Hey, Boujee Janitor here. So how do you start your janitorial company? Where do you find the resources to start your janitorial company? And how in the world do you find time to find those resources? Well, I gotta tell you, you're at the right place, okay? I have got a 12-step process that I have developed and perfected that took me 25 years to figure out. I'm taking these 12 steps, I'm putting them into a program called Janitorial 101, and it is going to launch you within 45 days to a level of success, which we all find success at different levels. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to be a successful entrepreneur because it takes a lot of hard work and sweat equity to get there. But what I am saying is, after these 12 steps, you will be able to go out and actually start producing and making money in this industry. $70 billion industry, by the way, okay? $70 billion. So connect with us soon. info@boujeejanitor.com. I'd love to get you on the program with us to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're doing it. So cheers for success.